Introducing the 2016 Volkswagen POLO 1.2TSI 95 brake horsepower 5 door COMFORTLINE automatic. With only 65,000 kilometers on the clock, this sleek black hatchback is sure to turn heads. Packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity and cruise control, this car offers both comfort and convenience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy privacy glass and tinted windows for added style and security. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.